Hi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Today, we're going to discuss the different tools and equipments used in computer systems servicing. At the end of this lesson, you will learn the following: proper tool selection, preparing for the task, safe use of tools, different types of tools and their examples. A tool is a handheld device that aids in accomplishing a task. Tools range from a traditional metal cutting part of a machine to an element of a computer program that activates and controls a particular function. How do you select the best tool for the job? First, know and understand in detail the scope of work to be accomplished. Second, plan for the scope taking into account the sequence of tasks. Selecting the best tool for each task requires training in the proper use of the tools, field experience in their safe use, and following the manufacturer's guidance and instructions for that specific tool. When obtaining the tool, all the associated tooling and consumable parts, as recommended by the manufacturer, must be included. In addition, related consumable parts must also be selected and used according to their manufacturer's instructions. Once selected, use the tool for the purpose for which it was designed. Not all tools come with detailed instructions, but there are those that do spell out the safety, do's and don'ts. If there are setup or use options, operator judgment must always be based on what is the safest way to use the tool. Environmental Safety and Health Program requires the following: all tools be kept in good condition with regular maintenance. The right tool must be used for the job. Each tool be examined before use. Damaged or defective tools not to be used. Tools be operated according to manufacturer's instructions. The right protective equipment for the tool and activity be used. To complete hardware repairs, it is important to have a toolkit that should contain all of the necessary tools. As you gain experience, you will learn which tools to have available for different types of jobs. Hardware tools are grouped into these four categories: electrostatic discharge, ESD, tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and diagnostic tools. Static electricity is easily generated by friction on carpets, tile flooring, clothing, hair, fabric, and etc. The friction of moving air alone will charge suspended particles and cause the buildup of static electrical charges on people and objects in the environment. Grounded anti-static work mats used with anti-static wrist straps provide the most basic means for the controlled discharge of electrostatic electricity. ESD tools prevent the sudden flow of electricity to avoid damage your computer components and parts. Here are the examples. Anti-static wrist strap. It is used to prevent ESD damage to computer equipment. Anti-static mat is used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up. Anti-static jacket, used to avoid contact in our body and other objects. Anti-static slipper, used to prevent ESD and protection from electrical shocks. A hand tool is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using only hands. The hand tools can be manually used employing force, or electrically powered, using electrical current. Flathead screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten slotted screws. Phillips head screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten crosshead plus screws. Torx screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like head. Hex driver, sometimes called a nut driver, is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screws. Needle nose plier, used to hold small parts and bend wire. Wire cutter, used to strip and cut wires. Tweezers, used to manipulate small parts. Parts retriever, used to retrieve parts from location that are too small for your hand to fit. Flashlight, used to light up areas that you cannot see well. Having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining or repairing computers. Using these tools ensures that computer components are not damaged during cleaning. Lint-free cloth, used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Compressed air, used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. Cable ties, used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Parts organizer, used to hold screw, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevents them from getting mixed together. Computers are easier to use and more dependable with each new generation of hardware and operating system update, but that doesn't mean they're problem-free. So we have these tools to check and test every components and port of the computer system. Multimeter, used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. Loop-back adapter, used to test the functionality of computer ports. Network tester, used to test the performance of your network cables.